This aubergine dish, also known as a Bharta, is so simple to make and never fails to impress. Here's what you'll need: 3 whole aubergines, 3 onions chopped, grated garlic and ginger, coriander leaves, chopped tomatoes and some fresh tomatoes. Here are the spices you'll need: red chili powder, paprika, ground coriander, turmeric, salt, curry powder and 4 green chilies. Pierce the aubergines all over, otherwise they'll explode, and cook them under the grill on a high heat. You can also put them in the oven, or sometimes people do cook them on the stove for a smoky flavour. Heat half a cup of oil and add the onions. Fry until they're a light golden colour. Then add the ginger and garlic and fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the green chilies and fry for about 3 minutes. Then add all the ground spices and fry for about 2 minutes. Then add the chopped tomatoes and cook for about 5 minutes. Remember, you're cooking all of this on a medium to high heat. Now you need to check that the aubergines are cooked. Press down on the skin to check that it's all soft inside. Then cut open and scoop out the inside. Now chop the inside of the aubergines until mushy. Add the whole green chilies and the fresh tomatoes roughly chopped. Add the aubergines as well and cook until any liquid has evaporated. Now it's ready to serve. It tastes absolutely delicious with naan bread or chapatis. Please do give this a try. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe for more recipes.